Hey Youngsters, today we are going to make shrimp scampi the easy way. Now let's get into it. So we're going to start off with the pasta of your choice. I'm going to use the penne pasta, but you can use fettuccine, spaghetti. You can use any type of pasta you want for this dish. Follow the directions on the box. Okay, while my skillet is heating, I have about 2 pounds of shrimp. Put a little salt and pepper directly on the shrimp. I'm gonna use a little bit of kosher salt. And of course, I'll leave the recipe in the description box below. Add a little olive oil. And a stick of butter. Now I have turned my flame down. And I'm gonna use white pepper. Okay, so I minced up about 12 cloves of garlic. You don't need that much, but I'm gonna use half for my shrimp and then half for my pasta. And I just like it a lot of garlic, so. All right, I'm just gonna add the shrimp directly to the skillet. Now we don't want these to fully cook because we're gonna toss them back in there. And shrimp cook very quickly, so a close eye on them. Now see how the tails are starting to turn pink? That's what you want, okay? So you can flip them over. You don't want rubbery shrimp. These shrimp are extra large. All right, we're about to take these out. Now remember, they don't have to be all the way cooked because we're gonna throw them back in again. All right, I'm gonna scoop these out. All right, I'm gonna add a little more olive oil, a little white cooking wine, garlic powder, little white pepper, so you want to melt a stick of butter, along with some olive oil. And I'm just gonna dump the garlic right in there. Just like so. And you just want to let it get aromatic and then shut it off, because this is going to go directly over the pasta. Okay, once that becomes aromatic, you want to just remove it off the fire and set it aside. All right, so the pasta is done. I have drained it. Now I'm going to pour the butter and garlic and olive oil right on top. Give that a good mix. Don't run away. Okay? We will get you. Me and the youngsters will capture you. We're going to sprinkle a little salt. Some parsley, because we keep it cute. And give it a mix. All right, we're going to set this aside and finish up the shrimp. All right, so we're going to go ahead and toss these shrimp right back into the sauce. Sprinkle with some parsley. Give it a couple of flips. And remove it from the heat. One fantastic dish of shrimp scampi. Now let's plate it. And now for the taste test. Have a bite. This is delicious. The shrimp are nice and tender because we didn't overcook them. The pasta is perfect and glistening. I don't like dry pasta when it comes to shrimp scampi. I gotta go. I have to go. So I can finish this because I am also a youngster, okay? And this is yummy. Gotta go. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment below if you have any suggestions on something that you would like me to make. I will be more than happy to make it. All right, guys. See you next time. Bye.